can see this is the new Scorpio classical car base variant. This is new Scorpio classical car base variant. This is the new Scorpio classical wear. Hello folks, I hope you are doing good today. So I am getting started on the base variant of the Scorpio classical car, rugged car, best in feature, mid trim classical base variant. This is I am telling you about the features of the Scorpio classical car. Halogen lamps, carbon fiber painted mirrors, aftermarket you can put stereo in it, and MID cluster is good. And I have told you about the features of the Scorpio classical car, and this is the front look of the Scorpio classical car. This is the front look of the Scorpio classical car with the Twin Peak logo itself. So this is the front look of the Scorpio classical car, rugged Twin Peak logo we are getting. We are getting the carbon fiber painted mirrors, the Twin Peak logo, the halogen headlamps, the halogen fog lamps, the carbon fiber painted grille also we are getting. We have this also on this original hood scoop of the Mahindra Scorpio classical car. This is the new Mahindra Scorpio classical car 2024 base model. This is, yeah, let me show you the interiors of the car inside. Let me get you inside the car. Let me show you the features inside. Let me show you the features inside. The display is good of the car. The display is good of the car. Display is good. We are getting kilometers, 427 kilometers, 42 kilometers, 427 kilometers, 42 kilometers, battery voltage and seat belt reminder, temperature warning, ABS light, fuel option, door option, green illuminated display in the Scorpio classical car. Digital MID is good of the car. Modes also we are getting in this. Modes we are getting in this, trip A, trip B, and set option there. Good option these are. Then this is steering wheel, normal steering wheel, Twin Peak logo. Normal steering wheel with Twin Peak logo. Normal steering wheel with Twin Peak logo. Yeah. Normal this also. Auto dimming mirror no. Manual ORVM this is. Lights are no there. Yeah. Display you can put aftermarket. AC controls also are there. Yeah. Good AC controls are there. Good AC controls are there. Aftermarket you can put stereo and good AC controls. Yeah. Then buttons are here, gear is here, this is here. Yeah. Then this is the front row. This is good front row. Yeah. Then second row is good. Yeah. Boot space is good. You can put 15 luggages and go on a family trip aram se. Boot space is good. Yeah. Second row I've showed you. Second row, this is, yeah. Lights I'll show you. Halogen lights we are getting set up. The display is there. Here I have the Mahindra key. Here I have the Mahindra key itself. This is the basic key we are getting in the Twin Peak logo key we are getting. Aftermarket you can opt for the remote button key at Karol Bagh. Magar here we are getting this Twin Peak logo key, base key. This is, you can do like this also. This is the Mahindra key. Yeah. Then we are getting more features, more features. I'll show you the bonnet also. Bonnet also I'll show you. Bonnet also I'll show you. Yeah. Bonnet also I'll show you. I'll show you the bonnet also of the car. We are getting the hydraulic bonnet also. Hydraulic bonnet we are getting in this. In Scorpio and the normal bonnet we are getting the hydraulic bonnet. Then this is a full engine display. Yeah. Then this is there. Hydraulic bonnet also. Full engine is good. With hydraulic bonnet and full engine is good. Yeah. Hydraulic bonnet is good. This is also good. This is a front look. Halogen lamp setup we are getting. Halogen lamp setup we are getting. Halogen lamp setup we are getting. This is the